The Leica Geovid HD B brings about a revolution in rangefinding. Equipped with a 2,000-yard rangefinder, outstanding optical quality, and a brand new ergonomic design, the HDB stands alone in the rangefinding binocular category. The most revolutionary feature is its built-in ballistic computer. This function takes your specific ballistic curve, uses real-time data from the onboard thermometer, inclinometer, and station pressure gauge, and delivers a precise ballistic compensation in one of three outputs: equivalent horizontal range, holdover, or ballistic turret. The first option is equivalent horizontal range. This output first displays the line of sight distance and then the equivalent horizontal range. This reading is especially accurate if you have a scope with a ballistic drop compensation reticle. The second output is holdover. This setting first displays the line of sight distance and then provides a measurement of how high you should hold over. Depending on whether you select EU or US in the menu, this will either be in centimeters or inches. The last and most accurate output is the ballistic turret option. This provides a distance and then a click value. The shooter takes this click value and then adjusts his or her ballistic turret accordingly so they can hold directly on their target. Setting up the Geovid HD B is really simple. There are two buttons, the measurement button on the left and the secondary button on the right. To access the main menu, hold down the secondary button for 3 seconds. Press the secondary button to cycle through the 4 menu options. There's EU-US, the ballistics menu, the sight and distance menu, and the advanced ballistics compensation menu. To access any of these menus, press the measurement button and then the secondary button to make your selection. The EU-US menu allows you to pick your unit of measure. With a US selection, your distance measurements will be measured in inches and yards and degrees in Fahrenheit, whereas the EU will deliver distance in centimeters and meters and degrees in Celsius. The second menu is the ballistics menu. This is where you input your specific ballistic curve either through one of the 12 preloaded ballistic curves already built into the Geovid or via the micro SD card with your custom ballistics info. The sight and distance menu is where you specify at what distance you're zeroed. The last menu option is ABC, which stands for our Advanced Ballistic Compensation. This is where you select your output of either EHR, holdover, or ballistics turret. There are 5 different options for ballistics turret to fit the wide range of turrets on the market today. The first step in setting up the Geovid HD B is to determine how you'll input your specific ballistic information. The first way is to reference the tables on the back of your box of ammunition. Find the amount of bullet drop at the furthest distance available. In this case, 10 inches at 300 yards. Find the value that matches closest in the Geovid manual, in this case 9.6 inches. This corresponds with the US3 ballistic curve and is what you would select in the ballistics menu in the Geovid. The second and more precise way to enter your curve is to use the ballistics calculator found on the Leica Geovid website. First, select your ammunition from the 3 drop-down menus. If you load your own ammunition, you can enter that information in the custom load section. Select your sight and distance and click the calculate button. Then review the information on the left, and if it looks good, save it to your micro SD card. Eject the micro SD card and insert it into the Geovids through the battery housing. Let's walk through a full setup using holdover, a sight and distance of 100 yards, selecting card for our ballistic curve, and US as our unit of measure. First, hold down the secondary button for 3 seconds. Then press the measurement button to access the EU-US menu. Then press the secondary button to select US. After you make your selection, the menu forwards you to the next menu option, which in this case is the ballistics menu. Press the measurement button to access the ballistics menu and select card from the options by pressing the secondary button. Again, the SID menu appears. Press the measurement button to access this menu and set your range at 100 yards by pressing the secondary button. Lastly, the ABC menu will appear. Press the measurement button to access this menu. Press the measurement button again to toggle to the holdover option, and press the secondary button to select it as your ABC output. Your Geovid is now set up.